Well, you got a good yawn. Baby. You got a good yawn. Clover. So close. It's so close. She's so close to making noises. Hey, pee-pee. Okay. All right, baby.